The Blues in the lead. Moving on down. Congratulations to the white coat corner. Great job to those sitting at the 400 level. Thanks for driving along on tonight's G-Wiz Grand Prix.